Imagine if Elon Musk was no longer CEO of Tesla. Is that even possible? You must be asking, why would ever Musk leave Tesla? That is the wrong question in itself. Elon Musk has done many things for Tesla, and he is definitely the most important figure in Tesla's 20-year history. But can Tesla do well just like Apple is doing now, even after Steve Jobs' death? Would we see repetition of that success story again? Guys, before we get into this juicy discussion, please subscribe to Unpopular Opinion and like the video. It would mean the world to me. As of now, Tesla has been hit with a series of problems, even with Elon as its CEO. The electric vehicle company that for a long time could do no wrong is currently facing a huge nosedive this month again, and investors are getting increasingly furious at Elon. He has been faced with anger because he is distracted with Twitter instead of actually running the company during a time of crisis. Tesla has lost over half of its value since the beginning of the year, coupled with the current fall in Tesla's stock. Shareholders and stockholders are making up their minds about having a new CEO who will dedicate all of his time for the company 100%. There is no Tesla CEO today. Gary Black tweeted a hedge fund manager who owns around $50 million in Tesla's stock. So why would he post something like that when Elon Musk is still there? It's obvious Tesla's reputation and stock have been deteriorating continuously since the billionaire CEO acquired Twitter. Musk is still busy investing most of his time and money at Twitter, which is an acquisition that has been controversial from the beginning. After months of waffling, lawsuits, and the near miss of a full-blown trial, Elon Musk owns Twitter. Elon acquired the social media company with a $44 billion deal. Following the acquisition, he began cleaning the house with at least 4 top Twitter executives, including the chief executive and chief financial officer, getting fired a day after he had arrived at Twitter's San Francisco headquarters and met with engineers and ad executives. Elon is obviously the best startup CEO you can find. He is so good at cleaning up the mess and firing employees who are not doing their job well. But that takes time away from Tesla and Tesla's problems. Musk's open approach to speech on Twitter could improve long-simmering issues of toxic content and misinformation, affecting political debates around the world. These are instances of Musk's preoccupations with Twitter, which make him neglect his position at Tesla and also harm the company's value. Tesla's investors keep saying the Twitter disintegration is inflicting serious collateral damage on Tesla's reputation. But is that the truth? In the past weeks, Musk, who had sold more than $19 billion in Tesla stock earlier this year, $4 billion of which was used to finance his troubled acquisition of the social media company, took to Twitter to make it an open and independent place from government control. Understandably, Tesla investors aren't impressed by Musk's antics and are blaming him for abandoning his role at the car maker. According to Gary Black, the market voted that the Tesla brand has been negatively impacted by the Twitter drama. He continued that, where before electric vehicle buyers and users were proud to drive their Teslas to their friends or show off the product in their driveways, now the Twitter controversy is hurting Tesla's brand equity. Another longtime investor, Ross Gerber, also blamed Musk for working at another company. He said that Tesla deserves a focused CEO, not one managing various companies. He added that it would be helpful to know what Musk's plans are. Tesla shares are down dramatically, making its worst year on record. But for full honesty, 90% of all tech stocks are down at the time I'm making this video. Tesla investors are growing out of patience as stock prices keep falling, and a CEO who splits his time between running 3 different companies in addition to the newly acquired Twitter. Koguan Leo, Tesla's 3rd largest individual shareholder, also tweeted that it may be time for a new CEO. He said that Musk abandoned Tesla and Tesla is without a working CEO. So Tesla needs and deserves to have a working CEO. Tesla needs a full-time working CEO. Koguan Leo, who amassed a 22.7 million share position in Tesla as of 2022, which is currently worth $3.57 billion, built his stake during the recent pandemic. Despite this fear and frustration, Leo is not selling his Tesla shares. Instead, he is planning to buy more as he believes the stock is undervalued and there's still room for the company to grow with a focused CEO. He claimed that Elon is a mere hired hand. He is our employee. Elon was the proud father. Tesla has grown up. An executioner is needed, not Elon, Leo tweeted. He added that he planned to invest billions of dollars because Tesla will be the biggest company with or without Elon. I don't know about that. Without Elon, Tesla would probably not be so big and successful. But you can't argue with this statement on Elon being a father of a grown-up. Tesla shares haven't hit this level since late October 2020. For context, that was just about 6 months after the company began delivering its flagship Model Y SUV. The move looks like it could be a matter of timing and might not represent a drop in demand for electric vehicles. The potential for demand destruction, be it for EVs in general or due to mounting competition, is a top fear for Tesla investors. Investors are concerned that the outlook for Tesla's sales and profit is taking a turn for the worse. A sign for the weakening demand is the recent announcement of a very rare sale by Tesla. The company offered 2 rebates for buyers who take delivery of a vehicle before the end of the year, initially offering a $3,750 discount earlier this month. Tesla then doubled that rebate to $7,500. Tesla clearly is starting to see demand cracks in China and the US at a time that EV competition is increasing across the board. However, the availability of a fully focused CEO will benefit shareholders because the company's stock will increase massively. Meanwhile, Musk claimed that he can continue overseeing both Tesla and SpaceX, coupled with the fact that the teams there are so good that often little help is going to be needed from him. Despite Musk's insistence on managing all of his companies, there has been a rumor of someone else being appointed as the CEO of Tesla. The rumored person is Tom Zhu, the CEO of Tesla's China market. According to the local media, Zhu is no longer Tesla China's legal representative. That task is currently in the hands of Wang Hao, the company's general manager. The weird bit is that Zhu is still Tesla China's chairman, but the explanation may rest on bigger plans for the Chinese executive. Having Zhu take care of Giga Austin looks like a demotion. The man who runs the show in China would not be happy with only taking care of one of Tesla's plants, especially if Giga Shanghai is one of the leading factories for the electric vehicle maker. With that said, I think Zhu must be preparing to replace Elon Musk as Tesla's CEO. If Zhu becomes the CEO, he will have a lot of work to put in order in the mess that Tesla currently faces. As we've said earlier, the company's stock value keeps declining as they keep announcing more investments in production and rumors of new factories in Mexico. Zhu ceasing to be Tesla's China legal representative is quite meaningful. Should the executive become the new Tesla CEO, he will have to speed up presenting new models, including the affordable one that should sit below the Model 3. Finishing the Cybertruck's development and putting it out for full production will also show if the more than 1.5 million people who pre-ordered one will really get the vehicle or ask for their $100 back. However, investors are concerned that the harm Musk is causing to the EV company is too much from his Twitter ownership, so they plan on hiring a new full-time CEO. Do you think Tom Zhu can do the job if appointed instead? By the way, I'm making another video about why the Cybertruck deal doesn't look as good as it used to be. So make sure to subscribe now and wait for it.